Welcome to our YouTube video on additive manufacturing. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what additive manufacturing means in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Additive manufacturing, often known as 3D printing, is the process of creating objects by adding material layer by layer based on a digital design. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which removes material, additive manufacturing builds parts directly from the ground up. Think of additive manufacturing like stacking Lego bricks. Each layer builds on the previous one until the final shape is complete. So, why is additive manufacturing so important? Because it enables rapid prototyping, reduces waste, supports complex and customized designs, and accelerates innovation in industries like aerospace, healthcare, and automotive. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.